Welcome to I Am Business, and today let's talk about how to do the travel business affiliate. So you become travel industry. There's an affiliate marketing that you can do within the traveling niche, and it's one of the biggest. Also, actually, if you look at the number of bookings, the number of people reaching out, the number of people traveling, seeing different destinations and stuff. So today I'm going to talk about the ins and outs, how to start it, and the easy way to do it. There's no long talk. We're just going to go straight, and you get to know how you can be able to start. So, but if you are new, just like this, share my YouTube channel, follow me, and let's do more. So, without much ado, let's go straight. The site we'll be starting with is booking.com. So, what is this? It simply means that you are going to be marketing for booking.com unofficially, right? And anybody you bring in, you will be able to make commissions if they rent, if they are able to get book flights, car rentals, attractions, airport taxis, all of this. People need them, and you will see there are a lot of different places, different flights. So let me see where to even stay, hotels and stuff. If you want to fly, so you see you are able to use this to be able to do more. So, in short, this is what we are going to do, and we are going to use this for you to be able to start that business. So, all you just need to do is to get a link, and they will know that this is your link. And once you are able to bring people, direct people to that link, you get the traction and you get to make money from that. So, to apply for this, all you just need to do is this is booking.com. You can register here, sign in, but you will not become an affiliate straight. All you need to do is to go down. And once you are down, you see different destinations, different hotels that people love to live. You see this one. You can be able to market all this. So come down. So once you come down, look down this line, you see become an affiliate. So this is where you are going to click on and to become an affiliate of booking.com. And this is where the magic happens. So they say there's more than 1 million reasons to join us. One, they say, and by reasons we mean accommodations from hotels and homes to trains and tree houses. Join bookings.com affiliate partner program and start earning commission on bookings made. So this is just like a job without any serious CV or no. If you can drive traffic, you can make money from here. So you read more, understand this, and once you read this, put in your name, select your country, and it's applicable to a lot of countries. Many countries around the world can do this. See, I can see Ghana, I can see Nigeria, I can see all the countries, almost all the countries. Majority of the countries in the world can be able to become affiliates. So once you do that, next step, your business information. If you don't have a business information, just put a name there and you confirm. And once you confirm, they are going to accept you and they'll give you a dedicated link. And once you get the link, now that is where the business starts. You need to start marketing and promoting that link because you want people to click on the link for you to make money. So any link clicks, you are going to make money when people click on that link, on your link. So first thing is you go to places like TikTok. You can create a TikTok account. That's one. You can do blogging. You can blog. Mostly, you can blog to be able to do more. So because you blog and you type in information that people are searching for example, top 10 destinations in Dubai, top destinations in Asia, in Paris, places to see. You can do those things, list them, and get traction so that you can be able to publish that and add your affiliate link. But go to TikTok. Once you go to TikTok, you are going to see, just type in travel, search in travel on TikTok. Once you search in travel, you are going to see travel videos. So these are videos that people have done. You see this one? It's a nice video that someone has done. And once you know that this is what you want to do, you see, someone has just done this video, nice video, and they are enjoying and they are using that. Let's see, there are more videos. So all you need to do is create content like this. And I'll show you how to create content. It's easy to create content like this, and to create content like this, and also post them on your TikTok. So you create a TikTok account for your brand, post content, and you're able to do this. So the best place to post content is go to Canva, and go to Canva. And once you go to Canva, and before I go, I want to let you know that you put the whatever, the link. You can see someone is doing the same thing. So you need to put the link on your bio page. The link, your affiliate link, put it on your bio page so that when people go there, they can be able to follow and they can be able to like buy from you. And once they buy from your link, you make money and you make attraction. So the best place to do this is to go to Canva. So you can go to Canva, and once you go to Canva, you type in TikTok. Just type in TikTok. You can start by even typing TikTok travel. Just do TikTok travel. It's going to bring videos about travel, people traveling, and all the things that you can see. You can see someone is traveling, and these are like, it's free to use. There's premium, but the free one too, you get some templates. You can see TikTok travel. See this one, time to travel. Nice. You see someone, great. So these are all content ideas that you can just pick and see this one. So let me pick this one. You see this one, nice. You can use this one on your TikTok. Just share this one on your TikTok. It's free, it's allowed. You can see different ones. So what you need to do is to change the text if you want. And once you change the text, it gets to wherever you want, and you can be able to use this for whatever you want to do. So that's the first place. The second place is that you can get royalty-free images on, just do travel on Pexels. And once you do this, you can get, let's make it horizontal. Now with one videos. You do the filters, you do vertical. You see a lot of travel. See this one, nice travel. Wow, nice landscapes that you can put. Just pick this one, for example. Nice one. This one straight, no editing. You can just share this one straight on your TikTok and add your affiliate link. You can also use Instagram. Go to Instagram and share this and share all this. And the more you keep on doing that, if you have a blog post too, keep sharing, you can get attraction because people will like your videos, people will be able to see what you are doing, and they'll click on the link. You can equally use YouTube to do this. And all is just planning and knowing how to be able to drive traffic to your link. I don't know you, but I know that this thing, you can do it. Start it now. And make sure that you let people see more of your affiliate link. Don't be spamming people. But if the right content, people try to start liking you and your ideas, and they'll link, they want to buy tickets, they want to buy flight tickets, they want to buy book hotels, and boom, you make money from that. So this is me. If you like what you are hearing, just follow me for more. But this is how you can start the affiliate business using the travel and tour. But there are different sites that you can sign up to, but this is just used for as an example. For a beginner, you can start with booking.com. So thank you very much. I believe in you. Let's do more. Let's create more opportunities.